Hey everyone, Nashville STEAM here with our friends of Fort Wayne Railroad Historical Society and number 765 behind me here at STEAM in the Valley 2021. This is the second year we've come out to this event and we are so thrilled to be here. Last time, if you remember, we had the whistle from 576 here on the Burke. This year we're learning a bit more about the operations and the servicing of the steam locomotive. We are right in the middle of the restoration of 576, but that does not mean that we can't look ahead to operation and start to learn that knowledge and those skills. A lot of members in our organization have a lot of experience both restoring and operating steam locomotives, but it's really important to share that knowledge and that experience around. Fort Wayne has been doing this for almost 50 years and they know their stuff. And they know that it's important to keep passing on those skills and that knowledge to new generations. Our crew that's been here has had an incredible time of learning all those trades that were so crucial to locomotive maintenance back in the day and today in preservation. They were able to service the locomotive, work on the air pumps here, even work in operations and had a little bit of throttle time as well.
All of this has really opened my eyes to how much labor it takes to operate these things. You know, from the time you get there, you have to light the fire, you have to make sure there's water in there, you have to treat the water. You have to shoot grease, you have to lubricate everything, fill lubricators, test all the appliances, test the air pumps, make sure everything is working and in order, and make sure, you know, throughout the day you also have to make sure that everything stays in an operating and running condition, and it takes a lot of people to do that. We just got down to basics with steam locomotive operation, started on Friday immediately by, you know, lighting the fire and starting to arrange the fire, bring the boiler pressure up, service all the appliances, and all this is an integral part of operating a steam locomotive that we do not get to experience yet because we're not quite to that phase. However, having this experience now will better prepare us for the day when we are lighting a fire in our own boiler and beginning to start our own operation. The Fort Wayne crew has been very welcoming of us and they really took us in and treated us like family, and it's just been a fantastic group to work with. One thing that makes me very excited about our operation in Nashville is the fact that we have a fantastic relationship with the museum and with R.J. Corman. We have the potential to use a beautiful train set, very uniform, awesome train set. And we get to run excursions out of downtown Nashville. We have a fantastic market to tap into to bring that kind of joy with riding behind a steam locomotive and riding a train to the people of Nashville who haven't had that, to bring back that piece of history and allow them to experience it in their own hometown, in my own hometown. That's going to be a phenomenal experience. Our project is still running entirely on donations. We're not making ticket sales or anything of that nature, so the best thing that people could do to help us get to that goal, to have that experience and have a running steam engine, is making donations. Our small donations of $20 and $30 still make up the largest percentage of what we operate on every single day and what goes into our restoration. I'd say the coolest part about this weekend, besides getting to experience firsthand exactly what it takes exactly to operate a steam locomotive, was seeing all the people. All the people came out from all over the place, all over the corners of the country, and came out in droves to see this engine operate and to get to experience that. And I'd say it was a great experience for me, but also it was great to get to see everybody else who was both experiencing it for the first time and seeing it. It's just so amazing to see the community light up when the engine comes through. And I'm really looking forward to having that and bringing that to Nashville.